Stop scrolling, my queen. If your hair is breaking, shedding, or refuse to grow, this routine is for you. Today, I am using rice and olive leaf to strand weak hair and also finish it with a powerful deep shampoo that you can use to remove all the build-up, all the oils, shea butters, whatever that you are using into your scalp. This shampoo is going to remove all the build-up from your scalp. So the last step is very important. So you need to watch this video to the end, because the ending of the video you will see the powerful shampoo that I'm going to add into it. So please stay tuned and we'll start the video. Okay, my queens, right now my water is boiling and I wash my rice and pouring it into my pot. So this rice, I'm going to overcook it, and after we are going to blend it. Why I put it inside and it started boiling, let us start checking the benefit of the rice. Rice is strengthening weak strands and also reducing damaging hair and reducing breaking and adding shining to your hair. It's also adding elasticity to your hair while you are using rice. So rice is one of the powerful length retention. If you are looking for a way to grow or to maintain your length retention, please, if you are not using rice, start using it. So rice also is having vitamin B and vitamin B complex and also amino acid, which is very good for our natural hair. So right now, guys, as you guys can see, my rice is cooked and I'm going to put it aside for it to get a little bit cold before we blend it, because if you don't let it get cold and you blend it immediately when you remove it from the fire, when you are going to strain it, you are going to suffer, because the hot what cook it is going to still be inside of it. So right now, after it's get cool, I put it inside my blender and I'm blending it. So the next thing now I'm showing to you guys, that's my olive leaf, the powder one. This one I keep it inside this rubber because the last time I used it, I blended and used it, but I didn't finish all, so I put it inside of this rubber and add it there. So I'm not going to blend any new olive leaf. I'm just going to use the powder one I'm already have to add it into my rice. So as I blend the rice and now I'm adding it inside, I'll add inside and just blend it small again before go and strain it. So while I'm putting the olive powder inside, let us check and see the benefit of olive powder. So let's check and see olive leaf. Actually, whether olive leaf or olive powder is all the same. Okay, so it's all, that's the same benefit, because that's the leaf that I dry the leaf and make it into the powder form. So olive powder is also reducing hair shedding if your hair is shedding. Now I finished blending it, I'm going to strain it. So right now I strain it, I'm going to add ingredients inside. So but let us finish and talk about the benefit of the olive powder. Olive powder is reducing hair shedding and stimulating hair growth. It also strengthens follicles, hair follicles, and protecting scalp damaging. It's also having vitamin E and antioxidant, which is very good for our hair growing journey. So right now, after I strain it, the next thing is I'm adding 2 tablespoons of milk. So my people, now after adding 2 tablespoons of my milk, I'm using cow milk. You can use cow milk or any milk of your choice you can add inside if you are going to make the same thing. So after the milk, my next ingredient is honey. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey. So while I'm adding honey, let's check and see the milk benefit. Milk also, adding it to your treatments, is also softening hair and improving elasticity to your hair. It's also reducing dryness. That milk also, cow milk also, is having vitamin B12 and vitamin D. It's having potassium and calcium, which is very good. So after the honey also, the next ingredient that I'm added is my olive, my infusing oil. That oil, guys, I posted that video. It's my channel. If you want to see how I made that video in that oil, how I infuse it, please, you can check my channel, add my other channel that is called Princess Hair Care. The video is over there. You can watch how I infuse this oil. Okay, so now after that, the next thing also is my deep tree and my honey. Honey also is deep moisturizing your hair. It's also preventing hair breaking and adding shining to your hair. So the next thing, I'm adding glycerin inside. So while I'm adding my glycerin, let's check and see the infusing oil that I added 2 tablespoons. That infusing oil is sealing the moisture to your hair. It's also adding thickness to your strands and improving length retention to your hair. So it's very, very good, and it's very powerful. Especially when you have it, you need to be using it also as a hot oil treatment. You will see the benefit maybe in a 1 month time. I'm not going to tell you like 1 day or 2 days. When you do it consistency in 1 month time, you will see the big changes of it. So glycerin also attracting moisture to your hair and keeping hair hydrating longer, and also improving softness to your hair, which is very, very powerful and is very good for all this. So why add all your ingredients? The next thing, you have to mix it very well. As you guys can see, I'm consistently mixing it, because you have to mix it for all the ingredients to mix together very well. So how to apply this thing? Please always make sure, pay attention here before you apply your hair mask, your hair treatment. If your hair is dirty, try to wash your hair before apply your treatment or your hair mask to your hair. That one is because if you are looking for benefit actually. And I know that you cannot waste your time to make hair masks without looking for benefit. You are doing it because you need benefit from it, right? So then you have to wash your hair before applying. For example, you wash your hair last night, but today that you are going to make the hair treatment or hair mask. So whatever that you need to do, use aloe vera herbs water, or you use normal water, spray into your scalp. Start from the scalp to your hair itself, the end. Massage it and apply the hair mask the way I apply it to my hair and my hand. So you apply it to your scalp like that. Start massaging your scalp and massage all the tips. Cover it. Use your shower cap or any rubber bag, cover it, and sit at least 30 to 40 minutes. You can go and wash it thoroughly. When you wash it thoroughly, please add your deep conditioner and come out before use your leave-in conditioner, your conditioner, normal conditioner and hair butter liquid, and do seal all the moisture to your hair and go. So right now, guys, the next thing now I'm starting is my flaxseed. I put flaxseed, 1 cup of flaxseed inside my pot, and I'm adding 2 cups of water inside. So maybe it can happen I may add more water, or it's going to be okay, I don't know, because flaxseed doesn't have this the way that you need to boil your flaxseed. Everyone want, you can boil your flaxseed. If you want the texture to be too much thick, you can make even 1 cup of water and put inside to get a thickness gel. But if you want your gel to be light, then you can put more water inside. So everybody is boiling the flaxseed according to her own texture. So now, after putting my flaxseed inside, the next thing I bring hibiscus to put inside. As you know, hibiscus is thickening hair, and also premature gray is also if you are having like gray hair in your hair, you are using it. It's darkening hair. It's darkening hair like it's like a magic for darkening hair. Let me tell you guys. So if you are not using hibiscus, please try to start using it. Why flaxseed also is also loaded with a lot of vitamin, as we all know, vitamin omega-3 fatty acids. Flaxseed is having it. Flaxseed also helping to detangle your hair easier, and also if your hair is breaking, you are using flaxseed, it's going to support your hair to stop breaking. My people, my queens, the next I'm going to tell you people, when you just boil your flaxseed, don't stand to say okay, you have to allow it get cold before you strain it. When you allow it get cold, my sister, you cannot strain it again, because flaxseed is not like something that we all know it. Flaxseed is very, is slamming, or is it slamming or sleeping? Please let me know in the comment section. How am I going to put that in? It's just making like a, how the okra, when you are cooking okra, how is slamming, slamming or sleeping, I don't know, whatever that it is. But I hope you guys will understand what I'm trying to say. It's slamming, sleeping. No, it's slamming. Yeah, that's the right way, slamming. So you, when it's doing like that, please just strain it hot. It will help you. So this one, the remaining one, don't throw away. You can use it for your hair mask. So that one, I'm keeping it aside for my daughter. Soon I'll open my daughter hair, and I'm going to use it to make hair mask for my daughter. So guys, now here when you strain it like this, I'm not telling you to pour all your shampoo inside here, but you can pour inside if you want. But for me, I'm not doing it that way. I always divide it because the gel, flaxseed, we all know that, it's not easy, Charlie. So I'm always dividing my things into maybe 2 or 3 parties and use it to make my things. So now the one that I'm pouring inside, guys, soon you will see the oil, you will see the hair leave-in conditioner, because I'm going to use it to make leave-in conditioner maybe later. So now after pouring it inside the remaining one here, what you need to do here, the remaining one, you bring your shampoo. Don't mind which type of shampoo that you need to. You can use any shampoo of your choice. So far that you get your flaxseed gel, whether you use flaxseed gel or aloe vera gel, or you can use okra gel also. Please, you can check my channel, you'll see the okra gel shampoos also over there. You can watch that video also. So you put your shampoo into it. You can use black soap also. You can use black soap also to transfer it into your normal shampoo. You can just use normal soaps, even, grind it, melt it, and turn it to be shampoo, powerful shampoo for your scalp care. Yeah, so now this is my famous pineapple and avocado plus avocado seed, avocado peel and avocado seed plus pineapple leaf oil, infusing oil. Please, if you want to see this video how I make it, please visit my second channel. It's called Princess Hair Care. So that's the place that now I'm putting princess videos to that channel. So please support us in that channel. This infusing oil is in that channel, so you can go over there and watch it over there. Okay, thank you very much. So now after put the shampoo inside, the next I added my infusing oil 2 tablespoons, and now I'm adding honey also, because this shampoo is not more a shampoo. This is a hair treatment therapy shampoo, where you are going to use this, if you have bulb up, you are using oils, butters, gels, leave-in conditioner to your hair. Sometimes you can use shampoo, or all the time you are using shampoo to wash your hair, right? But shampoo, my queen, let me tell you, shampoo cannot remove all the products from your scalp once. So you always need this type of shampoo, so that at least 2 times in a month you can use it. Maybe 2 weeks time you use once, 2 weeks time you use once. Use it that way to be cleaning the build up from your scalp, especially when you are doing, like for me, what I'm doing normal also, like when I do this type of hair treatment, when my hair is in mini braids or mini twists, I use this shampoo to do it, because I don't want my hair, the product of the hair mask, for it to, maybe I cannot see inside my hair. I don't know whether everything is okay or it's not okay, because my hair can be, maybe it's inside protectable style. So you need something that can remove all the dirty build up, something that is going to stick in your hair to make product build up in your scalp or your hair. So this shampoo is going to clean, it's going to wipe everything out without weighing any product in your hair again. So it's very, very important. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time across in this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. Now we are moving on. As you guys know, this channel, they demonetize me, so now I'm really looking for 4,000 watch hours. So I really need you guys support, for you people to support us. By my carelessness, so they demonetize me. I don't know, carelessness that I'm going to say, or I don't know how am I going to put it, that condition to myself. So they demonetize my channel, so now I'm looking for 4,000 again to apply another monetization. So I'm still inside. So guys, we need you guys support, okay? Because without you guys I cannot get that 4,000. I love you all.